A florist sells flowers and bouquets. A person who sells flowers and bouquets, she is known as florist. Okay, you can see here different types of flowers are there, and the person who sells these flowers, they are known as florist. Okay, see different types of flowers are here now. So he is known as florist. He is selling the flowers. Okay, next is an architect plans and draws the designs of buildings. A person who draw the designs of building houses, he is known as architect. Okay, the, now see in the picture, he is wearing the helmet and he is drawing the sketch of an building or house, so he is known as architect. A person who draw the plans of house buildings, they are known as architect. Okay, next is an engineer designs bridges, dams and machines. The person who designs dams, machines, bridges, he is known as engineer. He is known as engineer. Okay, you can see he is wearing the dress, so he is an engineer who designs the bridge, dam, machines. There are different types of engineers. Okay, auto mechanic engineers or civil engineers. Okay, next, a farmer grows food crops and rear cattle for milk. A farmer, we get the wheat from the shop, but farmer give that wheat to the mill, and shopkeeper collect the wheat from the mill, and we get the wheat from the shop. Okay, from the grocery shop. So and they supplies the milk also. वो हमें मिल्क भी सप्लाई करते हैं by keeping the rear cattle, by keeping the cows, oxen and different types of animals which give the milk. Okay, so here the picture you have seen in the nearby also. If someone is farmer, so this is the picture of farm, and the person who is sitting here, he is the farmer. Okay, next is a poultry farmer supplies eggs and chicken. Who the person who supplies eggs and chickens, he is known as poultry farmer. So you have seen the poultry farm. If you have not seen, so see in the picture, this is the poultry farm where they keep the hens and chickens. They keep the hens here in the poultry farm, and they supplies the eggs and chickens. So the person who supply, he or she known as poultry farmer. Okay, next, a fisherman supplies fish. Who supplies fish? Fisherman. You can see in the picture, he is holding the fishes. He supplies the fish, so he is known as fisherman. Okay, see there are many fishes, so he supplies these fishes and he is known as fisherman. Okay, next is a pilot flies an aeroplane. Who flies an aeroplane? Pilot. The person who flies an aeroplane, he is known as pilot. See here, he is sitting in the aeroplane and he is ready to fly this aeroplane. See, and he wear this type of uniform. Okay, they are having the uniform this, and he is ready to fly the aeroplane. This is the picture of an aeroplane. Okay, and next, a sailor sails a ship or a boat. Who sails a ship or a boat? He is known as sailor. You've seen in the movies and all. They wear a uniform, white shirt, full white uniform, or sometimes they wear a white shirt. Okay, so he is known as the sailor who sails a ship or boat. Okay, next, a lawyer deals in legal cases. The person who deals in legal cases, he is known as lawyer. If we want to discuss anything legally, so we go to the lawyer. He will give the advice to us. Okay, Next, a doctor treats sick people. A person who treats sick people, he is known as doctor. They wear the white coat. Okay. A veterin a veterinarian treats sick animals. The person who the person who treats sick animals, they are known as veterinarian. Okay. Next, an actor acts in films, serials, etc. You have seen different types of actors in the serials, in the film. So they are the actors who entertain us by giving the different types of acts. Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. You've seen many actors or actresses. You can say Aishwarya Rai, Hima. Okay. Next, a playback singer sings songs for actors. The person who sings songs for actors, they are known as playback singer. In the movies, you have seen actor used to do the lip sync of the song, but they are not singer. In playback, the playback singer sings the song. Okay, so these are the helpers, and I will tell you the difference between direct and indirect helpers. Okay, now see here, helpers who come to our contact regularly and we usually talk to them for our needs are called direct helpers. For example, security guard, teacher, doctor, baker, confectioner, etc. The person who come to our contact for our need and we usually talk to them, they are known as direct helper. Okay, and the person and helper who do not come directly in our contact but serve as indirectly are called indirect helpers. For example, soldier. A soldier standing at the border for our nation never comes to our contact. वो हमारे कभी कांटेक्ट में नहीं आते सोल्जर्स, बट ही इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग अ सिक्योरिटी फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल थ्रेट्स. बट वो हमें बचाते हैं, हमें सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड कराते हैं इंटरनेशनल थ्रेट से. जो आजकल आपने सुना ही होगा कि आज यहाँ पे ये हुआ, वहाँ पे ये हुआ, तो ये हमें इन थ्रेट से और उनको जो ब्लैंक कॉल्स आती हैं डराने वाली, उनसे हमें बचाते हैं. सो दे आर नोन एज सोल्जर हु फाइट फॉर अस और हु फाइट फॉर आवर कंट्री ऑन द बॉर्डर. ओके, सो दिस वॉज योर चैप्टर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉपरली. सो नाउ लिसन फर्स्टली योर होमवर्क. व्हाट यू विल डू, this is the question, fill in the blanks. Here are some options given to you and there are some fill ups, you have to fill this. Okay, now see, first one, a dash sales. Here pictures are drawn for you. You have to identify the pictures and tell the answers. Okay, a dash sales, this is the picture of flowers. Who sells flowers, you will write here. A dash stitches, here is a machine. I have shown you in the picture also, so you will identify. A dash makes earthen dash, this is the pot, so you have to tell who makes the pot. A dash mends, this is the picture of sorry, I will not tell, you will identify yourself, but you can see in the picture he is having the hammer and shoe. I had shown you the picture earlier. A dash flies this, what is this, you will tell this and you will write the answer here. Okay, you will do in this in your book. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.